Hey everyone, today we're going to be unboxing a brand new product from the Republic of Gamers, which is ASUS's gaming related brand. And what we have here is the ROG Strix Aerion, which is essentially an M.2 NVMe enclosure. For anybody wondering why would you want to buy this, well, let's say if you have an NVMe drive that you would prefer to use as an external drive, you can get this, pop the drive in this, and you have extremely fast external storage. So it comes in handy if you want to make sure that your massive game library is always available no matter where you go. So let's just quickly go ahead and unbox this enclosure and see what all it is that you get in the box. So at the very top you have a SIM removal tool, which is interesting. Look into that in a bit. And then here you have the enclosure itself. Wow, this is actually made from metal. It's completely solid, very cold to the touch, probably aluminum, which would be a good choice of metal since aluminum is a very good dissipator of heat. And if you have an NVMe drive in here, NVMe drives do tend to get hot, and heat is not a good friend for these kind of drives. So you have good use of aluminum to sort of dissipate the heat. Further going in, you have what appears to be like a rubber shell for the drive. So this goes on around the NVMe drive like so. There is a little clip so that you can carry your drive around and clip it to your backpack if you wanted. Anything else underneath? Then you have essential cables. You have a so you have two cables. One is a USB-C to USB-C cable. This is following the USB 3.1 Gen 2 standards, which means up to 10 gigabits per second of speed. And then you also have the regular USB Type A to USB Type C. The Aerion itself houses a USB Type C port, so you'll have to connect the Type C end to the drive, and then the other end goes into your laptop or your desktop, whatever it may be. So we got that. Then of course there's a user manual which essentially details how you install your drive. Now, quick thing to note about the Aerion is that it is only an NVMe enclosure and actually does not come with a drive included. So that's a very important thing to note. In fact, if you guys are buying any NVMe or M.2 SSD enclosure, do note that the purchase will not include a drive. You have to buy the drive separately. So that's it. That's a quick look at the contents of the ROG Strix Aerion. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed this video. And as for me, I'm going to see you in the next one.